It's a new integrated mobile service plan for our business customers, and there are three things that actually we want to achieve with this new service plan. One is, as Andres mentioned, moving from product plan to user plan, accelerate the adoption of smartphone and of mobile internet, which is low as compared to Western Europe. And last piece, which is making international communication even more affordable than today. First thing, in business, we have different user profile. It might seem obvious, but it's true that the price plan that we have today are not meant to cover, are not there to cover this reality. So when we look at our customer base, we see obviously a different usage. So 50% of the user use below 100 minutes. They use mainly, they make calls and they use voice only. Then the next 30% use more minutes. They then use messaging and data. And then when you look at the top 20%, they obviously use more minutes and they can have an intense usage of all services, including data, roaming, international. So we see different usage in our base, and obviously, I mean, it matches the different profiles of the user that enterprise have within their employee. Obviously, the needs and the usage profile of top management is not the same as the middle management or project manager. It's not the same as a sales executive who go and make work on the field and make regular visits, and it's not even the same as the engineers that do the field support. So usage are different. Last piece, mobile internet and smartphone penetration in enterprise. Well, in Romania is now about 20%. It is still less than half that one we actually see in Western Europe. And we believe, as Andres underlined, that it's actually limiting the opportunity for the Romanian enterprise to actually increase their efficiency and productivity and to improve their speed, to improve their agility in the tough market condition that we're experiencing. Different profiles, and so we want actually to move from the current product plans, which are basically non-differentiated by user, to actually integrated service plan that match the user profile. So typically, this is the case with our current pricing structure, our Vodafone Business Talk, which is actually very much a common market practice. We offer undifferentiated SIMs to the user with a pool of minutes, and then we had extra options or extra usage that cover the different needs of SMS, mobile internet, and so on. And we actually want to move to integrated service plans, so offer our customers service plan that meet user needs, and that would integrate all the elements that each of these profiles needs, so be it voice, SMS, again mobile internet, international, and roaming. What we want to do actually by doing so is three things. One is provide actually at user level more value for money, especially putting more voice minutes and putting more SMS than they have today, so that they can feel free to actually use, call and text. Second piece, by actually integrating the mobile internet in the package, we want to remove the barrier that company may see in actually having putting smartphones and mobile data in the hands of more and more of the employee to increase the efficiency and the productivity of both. And by putting roaming and international, we want to actually, again, remove the barrier, remove the fear of, it's going to cost me extra, so since it's included, I don't worry about it, and I can make the connection with my business partners abroad. From product plans, undifferentiated, to integrated service plans, meeting the user profiles. So that's what we do with Vodafone Business Profiles, which is actually made of four main individual price plans, which we call Start, Essential, Avansat, and Top. So let me show them to you. So this is how they look like and what we offer for each of them. Minutes in group, so the minutes, the international voice, the SMS, again mobile internet, roaming, by category. So first thing important to highlight, it's an enterprise plan. It's an enterprise plan, it's a group plan. So the main feature that we offer is actually unlimited in group. So if all the users within a company will have actually unlimited calls between themselves. Then the way we've designed it is that for so Start and Start Plus are very much the entry level package, provides actually a good provides sizable minutes allowance of minutes in Vodafone and fixed and in other mobile, and also provides basic access to data. Then we have Essential, which actually provides a more sizable pool of minutes at the user level, introduces SMS, and also for Essential Plus with 150 megs of data, which allows you actually to really make use, seize the benefit of data. Then moving to Avansat, we had more SMS, we had obviously more minutes, we had especially international minutes. We had more mobile data, so up to 500 meg. And for the Avansat Plus roaming, we even include some roaming allowances on data. Then finally, we have the top price plan, which is basically an unlimited on most of the component. It's basically you are free to use both minutes, data, internet, and it includes a sizable allowance for roaming. On top of all this, we offer pools of minutes that actually can be shared at account level, which can be very useful combined especially with the Start and the Start Plus. So prices allow a range from 2.5 euro per SIM for the entry level package, the Start, up to 85 euro for the unlimited Top Plus package. What is very important is that these price plans come with a specific handset offer. So, and that's also a key benefit of Vodafone Business Profiles. It is that actually for each price plan you have an affordable handset. Here you can see an example of the different smartphones, of the different phones and smartphones that we would recommend for each of the price plan. What I want to highlight actually is that we've put a very competitive package on Essential Plus, which is the first plan which is really meant for data, with actually our Vodafone smartphone, which is an Android smartphone. So basically for 14 euro for the handset and then 13.5 euro per month, you have all the benefits of the mobile data. Other thing to highlight is obviously we have, as you can see, for 1 euro a very competitive offer with the iPhone bundled with the Top Plus. I would like also to mention, related to the handset, the BlackBerry. So here we've put the BlackBerry 9300. I would like to announce that actually we'll be the first in Romania to introduce from 20th of February the new BlackBerry Bold, which I have here. So I have some of my colleagues with a new Bold. So new Bold 9790. which is both touch screen and keyboard, which is with the new BlackBerry OS 7, and which as you will notice, has a very slim and a nice design, much lighter than actually the previous model. So Vodafone will be the first to introduce this to the Romanian market, starting from the 20th of February. The last thing I want to share with you is show you how this will actually practically provide more value for money for our customers. I've taken here a typical use case for an SME today and looked at what we're offering right now with our current Vodafone Business Talk price plan and what we'll be offering actually with Vodafone Business Profile for actually the same money. So typical example, an SME with 12 SIM with a Vodafone Business Talk 3000, so 3000 national minutes to be shared between the 12 SIMs. And typically two mobile data options, one 500 meg, one 1 gig. So actually with Vodafone Business Profiles, and again for the same amount of money, this is what we'll be able to offer. So there will be 1 Top Plus, 2 Avansat Plus, 2 Essential Plus, and 7 Start. So still 12 SIMs, 12 users, but as you can see, much more minutes, national and Vodafone and Fix. SMS, which were not included so far, so which were extra usage. Instead of 2 mobile internet option, actually 5, and nearly doubling the total data allowance that will be provided. And on top of this, 300 international minutes and 200 minutes in roaming plus 1 gigabyte of roaming, which is associated to the Top Plus. So as you can see, really much more value for the same money.